Accessibility volume set to 90%. Ring.
This thing is really
Music volume set
annoying.
to 90%.
Are you also facing this same problem? Come and let me show you how to turn off this TalkBack in your phone. Hello and welcome back once again to Ahinsko Solo Tech. Over here, what we do is we teach how to make money online, and then we also teach tech techniques and then tricks. In general, this channel is all about IT. If today is your first time in on this channel, I'll be glad that you hit on the subscribe button and then turn on the bell notification for more updates. And if you're old here, thanks for coming back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn off this TalkBack. In most of the time, this happens to itel phones, techno phones. Yes, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn it off. Now, see how annoying this thing is. Imagine you want to use your phone and then you'll be hearing this, you'll be seeing this on your mobile phone. You can't do anything on it, you see? Even if you try using it, swiping up, you see? It is really annoying. It is really annoying. Now, most at times, what causes this is when you are trying to either raise up your volume, either give volume up or down. Most of the times on itel phones, this is what happens. Yes, if you want to give raise or give volume up or give volume down, this causes this accessibility TalkBack. Now let me record this screen and then show you how to turn off this TalkBack. It's Ahinsko here. I'm signing out. All right, so if you want to turn off the accessibility TalkBack, now kindly take note that this accessibility TalkBack is nothing serious, or whenever you encounter such problem doesn't mean your phone has spoiled or something. Basically, this accessibility TalkBack was made for people with eye problem, so that whenever they want to use their phone and then they touch any app, yes, now you can see I have touched file. Yes. Now that's what they basically made this accessibility TalkBack for. Now you can see when you use this one finger to swipe up, normal as you use your mobile phone, it cannot be swiped. However, if you want to swipe up or swipe down, you just have to use two of your fingers, either your index and then the middle finger, or your index and then any other finger, but make sure it is two. Now look at this. I am swiping with only one finger. You can see it is not going or moving, but look at this. I am using my index and then the middle finger. So when I swipe it up and down, you can see it is moving. Yes, that's how basically people with eye problem use mobile phone. Yes, so you can see it is moving. Now when you want to turn off this TalkBack, you just have to swipe down and then go to settings. If you click on it like this, it will select and then tell you that you have select settings. So you have to double click on it as you are using computer. Yes, now you can see settings as open. Now you use same your two hands, you press and hold, and then you swipe down to where is system. Yes, now you can see system here. It has selected. You double click and then you press and hold, you swipe down, you move straight to accessibility here. You press, you swipe down, you will see TalkBack. You see TalkBack. Now you can see it has been highlighted. You double click. Now you can see it has been turned on here. Just click on it like this and then you double click to turn it off. Now you can see stop TalkBack. Tapping stop will stop TalkBack. If you want to stop, just click on stop here and then you double click on stop and then boom, yes, TalkBack off. Now you can see I can use it with one hand. Yes, I can use it with one hand. This is how to turn off TalkBack using your Android phone. If you like this video, kindly share with others to enjoy. Follow Ahinsko Solo Tech here on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and then on TikTok. It's Ahinsko here, and I'm out. Bye.